Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the stopper and pull outwards. When it unclips, rotate and pull the stopper through to remove it. Lower the glove box. Unclip the frame cover. Remove the filter frame by pulling outwards and clean out any debris inside. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1132 filter into the frame housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Place the filter and the frame back into the housing. Reinstall the dampener arm. The stopper is reinstalled by inserting the rubber end first and sliding upwards. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.